Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Blended Librarian at Goa. In my previous video, we have learned how to check if a journal is indexed in Scopus. If you have not seen that yet, I have given the link in the description below. Today, we are moving a step further and looking at another globally trusted database, Web of Science. In this tutorial, we will see two things. First, how to verify whether a journal is indexed in Web of Science using master journal list. Secondly, what are those different Web of Science core collections actually means. This is especially useful for anyone preparing to publish, apply for promotion, or avoid fake and predatory journals. Make sure you watch till the end for bonus tips to identify genuine journals and avoid predatory ones. So let's get started. Let us first understand what Web of Science is. Web of Science is one of the most prestigious abstract and citation database managed by Clarivate Analytics. It includes high-quality journals from multiple disciplines and is known for its rigorous journal evaluation process. Unlike Google Scholar or other open platforms, Web of Science indexes only selected journals that meet strict quality criteria such as editorial quality, peer review process, citation impact, and ethical publishing practices. So, why does Web of Science matter to you? If you are a researcher, publishing in Web of Science Index journal increases the visibility and credibility of your work. If you are applying for promotions, grants, or academic recognition, Web of Science indexed publications often carry more weight. And finally, if you are a librarian or academic mentor, you need to guide your students and faculty toward trustworthy journals. There are two ways to access Web of Science: institutional access to search for articles and conduct literature review, and free access to verify if a journal is indexed in Web of Science. In this video, we will focus on the second method, that is to verify if a journal is indexed in Web of Science using master journal list. For that, you have to go to any browser and type the URL mjl.clarivate.com. You will come to homepage of master journal list. The master journal list is a tool to help you to find the right journal for your need across multiple indices hosted by Web of Science platform. On the home page, you will see different options like search journal, match manuscript. Match manuscript helps you to find the most related journal for your manuscript. So you can use this option if you have your manuscript ready. Then download and help center. When you scroll down, you will get this search journal box. In this box, you can either type the title of the journal or ISSN of the journal to search the journal. For example, we will search one journal named Indian Journal of Medical Research. For that, click on this box and type Indian Journal of Medical Research. Then click on Search Journal. You will get exact match and other possible matches. You can put the search term in the inverted commas to get the exact match. Let us look at the results. In the result, you will get the title of the journal which you are searching for, publisher, ISSN, and which core collection it is indexed in. You can click on View Profile page to get the other details of the journal, like general information of journal. Journal website also you can visit from this page. Then publisher website, frequency of the journal, issues per year, language, and other details. You can check the other details. To go to previous page, click on return to search result. You can also share the journal link with others. Let us try another journal. Say suppose you got email asking for a paper in International Journal of Education and Research, claiming it as a Web of Science index journal. So first what you have to do, you have to come to the master journal list and check if it is really indexed in Web of Science. So in the search box, type the title International Journal of Education and Research, and click on search. You are not getting the exact match, then you can put the title in the inverted commas and hit the search button to get the exact match. This result shows that it is not indexed in Web of Science, despite some emails claiming otherwise. So it is always good to double check claims made by publisher or any email. So master journal list is an official source to show you if the journal is indexed in Web of Science or not. So next we will try by ISSN. What we will do, we will remove this, and if you have the ISSN of the journal, and if you want to check if the journal is indexed in Web of Science, so you have to, in the search box, you have to put the ISSN number. So suppose 0971. Hit the search button. ISSN number we will give you exact match. See, the title of the journal, publisher, ISSN, and the core collection. At the site, you can see different filters to narrow down your search. Filters are Web of Science coverage, open access, category, country, language, frequency. You can use these filters to narrow down your search. At present, active filters are core collection of Web of Science. Let us understand Web of Science core collection. Web of Science is not just one database. It is a collection of several specialized indexes, each serving a different purpose. Let us look at the most important ones. Science Citation Index Expanded. It covers natural sciences, engineering, and technology. Journals included here are generally well regarded in scientific fields. If your article is Science Citation Index Expanded, it's considered high quality and internationally visible. The second one is Social Science Citation Index. It covers disciplines like education, sociology, psychology, economics, political science, and more. Especially important for researchers working in the social science. The third one is Arts and Humanities Citation Index. It covers literature, philosophy, arts, history, religion, and similar fields. It indexes influential journals in humanities, though citation pattern here are different from sciences. The fourth one is Emerging Source Citation Index. It covers new and emerging journals being evaluated for inclusion in Science Citation Index Expanded, Social Science Citation Index, and Arts and Humanities Citation Index. It focuses on identifying and showcasing emerging research, regional titles, and journals that may not yet be fully established in other indexes. It helps researchers discover newly publications that may become influential in the future. Journals in Science Citation Index Expanded and Social Science Citation Index and Arts and Humanities Citation Index are considered core Web of Science journals and have an official impact factor available via journal citation reports. Emerging Source Citation Index journals are emerging journals that are under evaluation. This classification is important when applying for UGC promotions or grants where only Science Citation Index Expanded or Social Science Citation Index papers are counted in many cases. So now that you know how to check if a journal is indexed in Web of Science, you might feel confident selecting the right journal to publish in. But here's the reality. A lot of fake or predatory journals falsely claim to be Web of Science indexed, and that is where many researchers, especially earlier career ones, fall into trap. Here's how to verify and stay safe. Never trust journal's website alone. Always check the master journal list. Secondly, do not go by email invitations to publish unless you verify the source. Third, if a journal asks for fast publication with high article processing charges, be extra cautious. Instead, search on master journal list and confirm if your journal is listed under the official Web of Science index. Now that you also learn how to spot misleading claims and protect yourself from predatory journals, let us take a moment to bring everything together. Let's quickly review what we covered in this video. We visited Master Journal List, the official source for checking whether a journal was indexed in Web of Science. While searching by title was helpful, we saw that using the ISSN provided most accurate and reliable results. We learned that journals listed under Science Citation Index Expanded, Social Science Citation Index, or Arts and Humanities Citation Index belong to the core Web of Science collection and had impact factor, while those in Emerging Source Citation Index were indexed but still under evaluation. We noted that many journals falsely claimed to be indexed in Web of Science, and we learned to rely only on the official master journal list for verification. By following these steps, we made sure we knew how to identify genuine, high quality journals and avoid falling into the trap of fake or misleading publications. And remember, publishing in a reputable index journal not only protects your academic reputation but also adds real value to your CV or thesis. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, share it with your friends or colleagues, and subscribe to the channel for more academic tutorials on journals, research databases, and library tools. Thank you for watching. Dev Bare Kuru.